So basically, the rear portion of your property is your swimming pool. So pati yung korte ng property sinunod ng pool. Tama ba yung korte ng property sinunod? Tama. Sinunod ng pool. Baka kasi baliktad yung sinabi ko eh. And then they just made the most out of it, and yung stairs ginawa ng built-in dito sa side nito, and then you have the ladder on that end. Oh, and there's also a garden at the very, very end. So this is a townhouse here in Quezon City, Project A. If you're curious, watch the full house tour. Townhouse for sale here in Project 8, Quezon City. So you have a gate, a manual gate over here, and once you open it, you will be welcomed to your 2-vehicle carport. And then this is what the carport looks like. It's basically, your vehicles will be mostly exposed, but then itong part na to, meron ka naman ng silong. Dito ba yun? Or sa kapitbahay? Okay. Parang lapit ng tunog eh. Okay, and then here by the concrete wall, you have a door on the far right. So this is more for storage. There you go. And then, syempre masara yun ha. Inano lang namin yung lock. And then over here on the far left, you have 2 steps up leading to your main door, which is a solid wooden door with a digital door lock. Okay. So you barely need to push it because it opens, like it propels itself forward on its own. Okay. So the moment you enter, you have open space, essentially for almost the entire floor. So you have here your living, over there your dining, and then your kitchen. So you have high ceiling, you have a wooden ceiling design, and then I can't actually see the cuts of the ceiling. That's quite nice. Like, mukha siyang mga planks na tuloy-tuloy eh. I'm not sure where the cuts actually are, so it looks seamless. And then over here, you have an entire wall dedicated for your entertainment. So this is where your massive TV is gonna go, as well as your entertainment shelf for your consoles, etc. Then your couch goes over on that side. Para yung flow of traffic tuloy-tuloy lang through your living area and then to your dining. And your dining is basically surrounded by glass. You have lots of natural light thanks to all of the sliding glass doors. So pag binuksan mo to, tsaka to, it's an indoor-outdoor thing leading to your deck / your pool. But before we go there, you have here a kitchen. So you have an island counter over here. This side is a bar. Merong outlet dito sa side na to. And then on this side, you have drawers and storage. And then you have another outlet on this side. On the other counter, you have your built-in sink. You have provision for your refrigerator, and your stove goes over there. You also have some built-in shelving, as well as cabinetry over here on the far left. Speaking of far left, over here you have access to your daily kitchen. So it's really more of the same. It's literally the same laminates that they use, the same counter. So it's just enclosed. So if ever you were to cook more aromatic food like tuyo, mga ganon, mga longganisa, mas maganda dito para mas enclosed. Bakit? Mabango naman yun na. Yeah, so you also have your built-in sink over here, provision for your exhaust if ever, and then more cabinetry up and below. Okay, so over on this side, you have a window, sliding glass panels as well that let you see your swimming pool. Pero mataas siya, which is nice because that means you can put some shelves dito or drawers. And then this also has access to the backyard, which again leads to the swimming pool. And then right next to your daily kitchen, you have access to a full toilet and bath with your sink, your toilet, and your shower space. So diretso na yan. From the swimming pool, you can go to this shower and vice versa, like shower to the swimming pool. Right next to that one, you have a room. So it could be a storeroom, it could be an extra room if you want. It could even be just a guest bedroom if you wanted, since it is right next to the toilet and bath. Okay, so you have an area over here for your tanks, etc., for other maintenance, dami outlets for when you need it. And then over here, you have a nice little garden out in the back. So it's up to you what kind of garden you want it to be. Okay, so let's go back in here. And now you have a view of the living area from this perspective. So it's also in this very nice shape. Like a lot of people actually like this. Yung mas malawak dito sa likod and then it's more narrow out in front. Okay. And then over here, right next to the main entrance, you have a powder room. Actually, no, correction. It's a full toilet and bath with a shower, a toilet, and then a sink. So very it's your guest accessible toilet, especially when everyone else is hanging out in the living area. Malapit lang siya. Okay, now before we head up to the second floor, make sure you hit like and subscribe and click on the bell so you get notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. We're on Facebook, so make sure you hit like and see first and follow us on Instagram at Presello_official. If you want to see more of our listings here in Quezon City, make sure you let us know, send us a message, or go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. Wow, this is such a nice area to have coffee and admire the city views. By the way, you know what else has city views? Condominiums. So if you are looking for properties or condominium units, simply go to our other channel, Presello Flats and Lofts. That's on YouTube and also on Instagram at Presello_Flats and Lofts. Okay, so going up the stairs, you have lights after every other step. And then in case you're wondering why it's really bright, it's because you have a skylight right above the staircase. Okay, so second floor corridor, you have this one, pretty straightforward rectangular corridor, but you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 doors. So we'll check this one out first. Okay, so here we have bedroom number 1. Okay, so you have a lot of space actually. So you have high ceiling, at least it's higher than standard. You have pin lights for your lighting, and then you have this huge source of natural light thanks to all of the glass planes that you have here. This one you can actually open, and then this is a door which will lead you to the balcony at the front of the property. It's actually a very nice and quiet subdivision here in Project 8. Okay, and then here you have an ensuite. That is not the switch. Here is the switch. I have an ensuite walk-in closet, sorry. So lots of wardrobe space, both closed and open shelving. And then over here you have the ensuite toilet and bath, which kind of looks like a sauna because of the tiles that they used. So wood-like tiles dito, and then for the wall, parang concrete-like. So you have your sink, your toilet, and then you're and basically it's an open shower na meron ng glass pane. Then your products go here. You have a huge awning window right here, so really there's no need for an exhaust, but there still is in the middle. And then right next to this one, we have bedroom number 2. Ooh, iba yung lighting dynamics dito. Thank you. So here you have this much space. This is where your entertainment goes. That is where your headboard goes. And then your desk on this side. You have downlights and you have cove lighting. Then you have natural light from this window. Then you can open this up and you have access to your own private balcony. Very dramatic lighting. Love it. And then right next to that one, we have a door with a frosted glass panel. And this is a common toilet and bath with a sink, a toilet, and a partially enclosed shower space. And again, it's very dark and moody. It has that sauna vibe because of the colors that they chose for the tiles. Okay, this hallway actually has a lot of outlets, so including this. So clearly this was meant to be the family area. So paglabas mo from any of the bedrooms, people are just gonna be hanging out here. And here we have bedroom number 3. So this one does not have an ensuite toilet and bath. So if you were to use this as a bedroom, the toilet and bath is gonna have to be the one right next to it. But if not, you could turn this into a theater or an office, so it's really up to you. But this is one of the bedrooms. So you have this much space, you have outlets on practically all the walls except for this one. But this wall has all the windows and all the natural light flooding in. I am not sure what that switch does. That one's for the lights, so I don't know what that one was. And then this is the last door in this hallway. Here we have bedroom number 4. So this is the ensuite toilet and bath. Check out the sunlight filling in. Beautiful. So you have that partially enclosed shower space, the toilet, the sink, and then here you have this much space. Again, you have downlights and then you have cove lighting, di lang naka-on. This is where your TV goes, that's where your headboard goes. This is your desk. And then, ooh, you have your own balcony out here. Nice and windy too. And you have trees and the dog barking out in the distance. Okay. So that's it. Pretty straightforward. You have 2 floors or 2 stories. Everything is nice and bright. All the rooms are different. Most of them have an ensuite except for this room over here, which gives you access to a common toilet and bath here on the 2nd floor. Now, before I actually finish off that recap, watch these really neat B-rolls. So you have 256 square meters of floor area and 230 square meters of lot area. You have 4 bedrooms, 4 toilet and baths, a 2-vehicle carport, a swimming pool out here in the back, a very nice daily kitchen, which basically looks like your formal kitchen. Oh, and I forgot to mention earlier, you do have a storeroom / pantry under the stairs behind this door right next to your kitchen. Masyado ko ba maaga ba sinara yan? Okay, so again, this is a brand new townhouse here in Quezon City. It's in Project 8. So if this is something or somewhere that you're interested in, make sure you let us know, send us a message, or go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. If you want to see more house tours, make sure you click here. And if you want to see more of our Build Your Owns or BYOs, click here. And if you want to see more of our other content, click right here. Also, if you haven't subscribed, okay.